The Latin American and Caribbean region was hit hard by the current global crisis. The region is slowly recovering from the recession caused by the pandemics, but the labor markets are still fragile, with an unemployment as high as 10%. In addition, 50% of the Latin American economy operates in informality. This rate is much higher among youth at 63%, associated by precarious conditions and low paid jobs without clear information or guidance on how to exit the situation. Evidence shows that high quality advice and guidance are crucial if young people are to make informed decisions on what course to take and where to take it, what institutions, what track, academic versus professional, and what are the employment prospects in the labor market. Research results and good practices collected from the region show that career guidance plays a fundamental role in the development of individuals, economies, and societies. However, the development and implementation of career guidance strategies vary to a high extent across the region. It is important to continue generating contextualized knowledge about career guidance in the region without losing sight of the global developments, standards, and efforts. Policymakers, practitioners, and researchers are cordially invited to participate in the Global Careers Month of Latin America through the remote symposium named Career Education and Professional Guidance. Join us and enjoy the program enriched with the state-of-the-art of career guidance in Latin America through presentations with diverse approaches and practices in career guidance throughout the entire region. Thank you.